Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to show you how to turn your images into a Ghibli studio style because I've been getting so much questions that please how did you do that on your images from the post I made on Facebook. So follow this video attentively and you will know how to do it. So first of all, I want to let you know that I am using ChatGPT, the free version. It is not paid because some of you are going to say that I am using the paid version. No, this is a free version. This is the free plan. So if I just click up here, you're going to see that I am on the free plan because here it says upgrade. It shows that I'm on the free plan. So what I'm going to do next is like let me first of all say something cool like hello. Then okay, good. Now I'm gonna hit these three dots here. These three dots here, just beside the light bulb, just beside the icon of a bulb. I'm gonna hit these three dots. Then I'm gonna click on create image. Although it says updated, I'm gonna click on create image. Once I click on it, um, then I'm gonna click on this plus icon here. I'm gonna click on this plus icon. Then I'm going to select photo library so I can choose a photo from my gallery. So I'm going to go with something like okay, yeah, you can see in my gallery these are some of the photos I earlier Ghiblified. So I'm going to choose something new. Okay, let's go with this Donald Trump's picture. No, it might say something copyrighted. Let's go with something this image I earlier downloaded from Facebook. So I'm going to click done. So once the image is uploaded, now I add this text to it. I say please turn this image into a Ghibli studio style. Then I click send. Okay, ChatGPT is doing its magic. So in the next couple of seconds or minutes, it's going to give us the results. So let's just give it some time. It's doing its work. Wow. So you can see this is the image we uploaded. Don't say I have tricked anything. No. This is it. You can see hello. Hey, what's up? That's its reply. And this is what I uploaded and asking to turn it into a Ghibli studio style. So it's still working. So while it's still working, so I want to let you guys know that I'm actually back. From time to time, I'm going to be uploading videos concerning AI. Like even on my Facebook profile, I do uploads every news that concerns AI, every breakthrough in the AI landscape. I do broadcast um, updates on that. So I would like you to leave me a like on this video so that others can also know what's going on. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. That really helps me and motivates me to keep creating content. I know I haven't been putting out content for a long, but please, please, please just do this for me, and sure I'll keep uploading. I got a lot of stuff that I need to upload, so please just do me a favor by sharing this video also so that other people can also learn and enjoy the AI. It's really working hard to get the results. Let's just see what it gives. Oh, it says image created. Wow, this is beautiful. Although it created the right image. It gablified it like in the studio, in the Ghibli style studio, but it actually removed the text that was on it. It actually removed the text that was on it. The alarm that just popped up, it's my alarm for me to get up from bed, but unfortunately, I was already up. So yeah, this is the image. So guys, I believe you have seen how to get these type of images that are trending right now. So if you want to, if you even want to download it, you can just maintain your thumb on it. Then you will see here it says download image. Then you can download and upload it to Facebook. So thank you for watching and see you next time.